Hello, hi everyone. So I have listed down three problem of the limit, uh, which is from trigonometry. Limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by 5x. Okay, so we'll take the first problem. So here first is what limit x tends to 0, sin 3x by 5x. Okay, we know one formula. What is the formula? Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x, okay, is equal to 1. So we will use in all three and we will solve. Okay, so here into this problem, limit x tends to 0 sin 3x. Here it is 5, right? We'll do like this, 3x, and if you multiply in the denominator, so we'll multiply in numerator also. So okay, now this is fine. So here 3 by 5, we can bring it out, and here limit x tends to 0 and sin 3x by 3x. Now x tends to 0, so 3x can also be tends to 0. Okay, so here we can put 3 by 5 limit 3x tends to 0 and sin 3x by 3x. Okay, so this one is similar to this, so value of this will be 1. Okay, so 3 by 5 into 1 is equal to 3 by 5. So answer of this problem is 3 by 5. Okay, so we'll solve the problem number 2. We'll wrap this. Okay, so we are going to wrap this. Problem number 2. What is the problem number 2? Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by sin bx. Okay, now here what we can do? Limit x tends to 0 sin ax, we can divide by ax. Now here sin bx, we can also divide by bx. So when we divide by bx, then we have to multiply by bx. Here we have divided by ax, so here we have to multiply by ax. Correct? So like this. If we write like x like this, it will be okay. So like this we have done. Now, so in the next step, what we can do it? We can do like this. ax by bx. Ax b x gets cancelled here. Limit x tends to 0 sin ax by b ax, right, ax, and here limit x tends to 0 sin bx by bx. Okay, now x tends to 0, so ax can also be tends to 0, and here x tends to 0, so bx can also be tends to 0. So this portion is 1, and similarly this portion also 1. So here a by b is the answer for this problem, a by b. Okay, so see here, the question like this, what is the answer? 3 by 5. And question like this, a by b. So if you know the formula, if you visualize the problem, right, you will come to know the answer of the problem without solving also. Okay, so in the competitive exam it can be done very fast. Okay, so we'll solve another problem number 3. Grab this. Okay, so limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x. Here you have to know the trigonometric formula. What is the formula we are talking about? 1 minus 2 sine a square x by 2. This is the formula for cos x. Now down is x square. Now in the next step, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sine square x by 2, and here x square. This got cancelled. Okay, so what we have? Limit x tends to 0, 2 sine square x by 2. What we can do? This is x square, right? We can divide by 4 and multiply by 4. So when we do multiply by 4, then 2, this got cancelled. So you got 1 by 2. Right, now limit x tends to 0. Here sine x by 2 by x by 2. Also we can write limit x tends to 0, sine x by 2, and here x by 2. Okay, so this much will be 1 and this much will be 1. And here if you see, sine x by 2 and here x by 2, here also sine x, right, x. Now here it is say x tends to 0, right? So if x tends to 0, x by 2 also will tends to 0. So there is no problem. So this portion will be 1, this portion will be 1, and here is half. So answer is half. So problem of this one, right? This one problem, answer is equal to half. Okay? So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.